Hey guys, Marcelo Villan here. Today I'm going to share with you 5 easy steps that will help you create your first LinkedIn post. Instead of wasting your time scrolling miles and miles on social media, use your spare time to do this. Step 1. Take a picture or a screenshot of a project that you were working on. For example, let's say you're a skateboarder and you want to land a board slide. Get your skateboard and take a picture with it. Step 2. Come up with a quick story about it. Tell them and show them your scars, your scratches. Tell them about your failures and be able to tell people how you're a better person because of those failures. What did you learn with it? Step 3. Tag or mention somebody that actually inspired you. Tony Hawk, P-Rod, or even your friend John. Make sure you show them appreciation for what they have done for you. Step 4. Insert a hashtag that fits whatever you're talking about. If you're talking about careers, hashtag careers. If you're talking about internships, hashtag internships. If you're talking about whatever, hashtag whatever. Make sure you have a hashtag that fits your community. This hashtag will inspire and motivate people in your community. Step 5. Share it. And congrats, you're already out of your comfort zone. Welcome to the 1% out of 500 million LinkedIn users that actually produce content. You're already standing out.